We're going to talk about adding scripts to the header or the footer of the website. Now, why would you want to add a script to the header or the footer of your website? Things like Google Analytics, Hotjar, user tracking, any sort of third-party integration through a JavaScript usually wants to be added to the header. So for this, I use a plugin called header and footer scripts, and there was one made by the Beaver Builder team, which has got some good ratings. Here it is. Here, insert headers and footers. So I'm just going to install that. I used to use this one here, but then I realized that the insert headers and footers had more active installations and was updated more recently. So this one was updated 5 months ago, and this one was updated 9 months ago, and this one's got 90,000 active installations compared to 600,000. So I think this one's the winner for me. Now I'm just activating here. Okay, great, that's activated. So what that does is add an extra headers and footers option here. Now I can simply just copy and paste my Google Analytics script or my Hotjar script directly into here and click save, and this will work, providing you've copied the header and footer script incorrectly. Let me know if you have any questions. Hit me up on the Facebook group.